Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to log into your Upwork account. Whether you're a freelancer checking for new job opportunities or a client looking to hire talent, accessing your account is the first step to getting things done on the platform. First, you'll want to open your web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whatever browser you prefer using. Once it's open, type upwork.com into the address bar and hit enter. This will take you directly to Upwork's homepage where you can access all the platform's features. Now that you're on the Upwork homepage, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a button that says Log In. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to accessing your existing account and all your saved information, whether that's your freelancer profile, ongoing projects, or client postings. After clicking Log In, you'll be presented with several options for signing into your account. The first option is entering your email address directly. This is the traditional method where you'll type in the email associated with your Upwork account and then proceed with your password. The second option is continue with Google, which allows you to sign in using your Google account credentials. This method is convenient if you've previously linked your Upwork account to Google. The third option is continue with Apple, which works similarly by using your Apple ID to access your account. Take a moment to review these options and select your preferred method from the list. Each option will guide you through the appropriate authentication process to securely access your Upwork account. The choice simply depends on how you initially set up your account and which method you find most convenient for logging in. Once you've selected your preferred login method and completed the authentication steps, you'll be taken directly to your Upwork dashboard, where you can manage your freelance work, browse jobs, or oversee your projects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.